Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this dramatic glam makeup look. This look is often associated with Brazilian beauties, and I took my inspiration from Michelly Palma makeup creations, and she's very known for looks like this. And before we begin, big thanks to my gorgeous client Rachel for being my model for today. And without further ado, let's just get started. Starting with the eyes first, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer all over her lids. After blending it with a beauty blender, I'm dusting a bit of a translucent powder all over as well to even everything out. Now I'm picking up matte white eyeshadow from MAC in color Blanc type, and I'm going to apply it right underneath the eyebrows to create a highlight. Next, I'm switching to MAC Soft Brown, which is one of my favorite transition colors of all time, and I'm starting to blend it out in the crease, but I'm not taking it further out. So for this type of looks, it's very important to keep the roundness of the crease as opposed to winging the eyeshadow out. Now I'm using the color Chocolate Swiss from MAC as well, and I'm going to further intensify the crease, but I'm going to keep this color slightly lower. Blending is really the key, so keep blending and blending and blending until everything appears super smooth and seamless. To add a touch of warmth to the look, I'm going to go ahead and use the orange color from Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to apply it towards the inner crease part of the eyes. To darken out the eyes a bit more and create a nice base for glitter, I'm blending the color Rott from Melt Cosmetics into her eyes as well. Now I will be using the color Bronze Belle from Stila Cosmetics Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow, and I will be applying it on the lids, creating like a round half moon shape. To create the graphic eyeliner wing, I'm picking up Stila's Mictotip eyeliner, and first I'm taking it all the way up, and then I'm creating a triangle outline to meet her crease. And now I'm taking this line all the way down to her lash line. Now I'm switching to gel eyeliner from Inglot, and I'm going to go ahead and fill in that wing. Once it's done, I will be taking this line all the way into her inner corners, making it gradually thinner as I go. Now let's go ahead and do the other side as well. It's really important to keep looking straight from time to time to make sure both wings are pretty much even, they are at the same height, and everything appears even. Now I'm just sharpening out the edges of the eyeliner, extending the wing a bit more. For bigger definition in the crease and to intensify that crescent eye shape, I'm picking up the black eyeshadow from MAC, and I'm running it right where the wing meets the crease, blending it slightly further down to the crease. I will now go ahead and work on Rachel's face, and for a primer I'm using Covergirl TruBlend Based Business Face Primer, and then I'm following with the new TruBlend Matte Made Foundation from Covergirl as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on her eyebrows using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil in dark brown. To eliminate any redness underneath the eyes, I'm applying Lancome Concealer in Peach, and then I'm going to apply the same eyeshadows we used prior to the lower lids as well. And it's really important to connect the black lower eyeshadow with the upper wing, so the transition is really seamless. Now I'm running the Stila glitter in the inner corners and also at the very beginning of the lower lids, and this also opens the eyes so beautifully. Now let's apply some pretty big and dramatic lashes, and oh yeah, Rachel is looking bomb in them. For concealer, I'm using Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer, and I'm blending that in with a damp beauty blender. To contour her skin, I'm going to be using NYX Cosmetics Conceal Correct Contour Palette in Deep, and I'm going to be blending it to the hollows of her cheekbones, to the forehead and jawline, and then I will be running it across the sides of her nose. Now I'm running the Laura Mercier concealer right underneath the contour of her cheeks to make them sharper and more defined. Now I'm going to go ahead and set everything with a translucent powder, and I'm using the new Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder from Becca. It feels divine on the skin. I tried it as well on myself. For blush, I'm using Milani Cosmetics Baked Blush in Fabuloso, and for a highlight, I'm using Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive Highlighter, which, as you can tell from my previous tutorials, is my current favorite. To line her lips, I'm going to go ahead and use MAC Strip Down Lip Pencil, and I'm following with Dose of Colors Matte Lipstick in Supernatural. And I'm topping it with Glaze and Lip Glaze in color Gold Dust from Butter London. And this step completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a completely different look from what I usually create. And I'm so glad I did something very different and I showed you something very different. And Rachel looks really like a total Brazilian goddess. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment below and leave a thumbs up. And I see you very soon. Bye bye!